Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I'm gonna get Kiwi because it is Christmas. I'm posting this in February. Don't mind that. Wake up, Kiwi.
Why? I'm tired.
It's Christmas.
Oh wait, I forgot.
Come on. You gotta make your bed first though.
Fine.
But you also have to eat breakfast first. You gotta do all this kind of stuff so you can be rewarded.
Mom, I can't make my bed. I'm too young too.
Okay, whatever, fine. Open your, not open, I mean eat. Eat first.
Bye. I can't wait to eat all of this. Nom nom. Oh my god, so good.
Yeah. By the way, guys, her sister's not here because she's at her grandma's house, so.
So good.
You also have to wait for Mom.
I'm eating all of this. I'm full.
Okay. Just
I
wait.
have to chow down a bit there.
Okay. Come on. You ready?
What bird should I open first?
Okay. Yours is... hold on. Let me see.
Mom forgot what present inside.
I think yours is the big one.
Oh, this one?
Yes, it might be. Okay.
Open. ABC book.
Actually, I think both of them are yours.
This one too?
Yes. Did you turn the light off? Anyway.
I got a snow globe.
Yep. And then this stocking is yours. It's underneath the K.
The red one or green one?
Green.
I got a makeup kit.
Oh no. Oh well. Okay.
It has some
And the
fun.
presents that you're standing on are also yours.
What?
The presents that you're standing on are also yours.
This one?
Yeah, those three.
Oh, I got a bicycle.
What?
What's this one? I got a book.
Cool.
Books are for losers though, but.
What's your last one?
Ooh, I got a wooden rocking horse.
Ooh.
I'm playing with all my new toys.
And then you have a big one over here, but you have to share it with your sister. Come over here.
Hey. Oh my gosh, it's a toy race track.
Yup.
Okay.
In the backyard is a giant present. Do you see it?
Let me look.
There's actually two of them, but it's this one. The giant playset.
Oh, I kind of forgot.
And then there's also a little food kitchen.
I'm cooking some good dinner tonight because Mom makes sucky food.
Oh, okay. You need to share these three things with your sister, though, okay?
Fine.
Or else you get none of the chocolate on this calendar thingy. They added an advent calendar, so. Do you want some chocolate?
Nice.
Come on.
Wait, hold on. Wait, what if I find my toys?
What?
Where's my toy tricycle?
Where'd you put it?
I didn't put it anywhere.
No, come back inside.
Fine.
It's too cold. Okay. This chocolate advent calendar is all yours since your sister's not here.
Yummy.
Okay. All right, guys. It's been a...
on here.
Oh. Well, guys, so it's been a really fulfillful day, and I'm just going to be making some dinner, but I need to put these away.
Mom,
What?
I want dessert.
You want dessert?
Yep.
Okay. I'll have to see. How about you watch some movies, and I'll give you some popcorn.
Okay. Can I ask for ice cream?
Yes.
Actually, never mind. I just want popcorn.
Okay. Shoot, Kiwi.
What?
I just got a flash snow warning, like a thunderstorm.
No.
We might have to go in the basement. So
Okay.
turn everything off.
Okay.
The Christmas lights literally cannot go off, but oh well. So the basement is fine. I think we have some snacks down here. That is not your bed. The purple one.
You're like...
You got chips and Bloxiade and beans. There's also more snacks.
Oh, I'm gonna eat all the chips.
Okay. Just be careful.
Move it, Mom. You're in my way. I can't grab anything.
There's snacks too, like gummies. Okay.
We have beans. Yeah. I'm gonna eat all the beans. Ew, did you fart?
You did. You ate beans.
You ate beans too. Disgusting.
Whatever. Oh my God.
You want to see my dance move?
We can put on the radio.
Ew, you farted again. How you...
Hey, there's... Bro!
Ew, stop farting.
Bro, why is this so chaotic? Okay.
Stop. You disgusting little rat.
Okay. I need to turn this off. Shoot. What
So dark, I can't see.
the... Okay, I'm by the food. Okay, I'm in bed. I figured my way. So just, yeah, there you go. Phew. Phew. Shoot. The radio's still playing. I think the storm might be over. I think she's still sleeping, so I'm gonna get the most out of it.
I'm coming.
Oh, girl. We need to see if your sister's okay, so I'm just gonna call her. Like, call her, or your grandma, okay? The phone isn't working. Are you okay? Okay. Yeah, okay. I'll see you later, okay? Yeah, bye. Okay. Are you in bed?
No, I'm taking a bath. I stink.
You can't be in there by yourself.
I have a floaty. I'm not in here by myself.
No. Okay. Oh, that was loud. Okay, well, guys, that is the end of this video. That was very chaotic, but thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Wait, do you want to say bye?
Bye.
Okay. Bye, guys.